For those who endeavor, conquer, and for those who conquer, celebrate. It's such a happy, chappy moment for us to be a part of your success story and take you through this lovely evening that shall unfold into even lovelier celebrations. Well, I know what everyone may be thinking right now, including me, to be honest. So, wish the ceremony was on ground, we could shake hands, make some noise together, dance on some pulsating music, enjoy the delicacies, वगैरह वगैरह. Well, ये जो आपकी wish है, that just evinces how alike we are, you and I. So the joy of being human, they say, lies in being social, right? So, but you know what? But as long as there is no emotional distancing, we are good to go. We are great to go. Ladies and gentlemen, throwing that wish in the universe that we all meet sooner than soon, years extending the grandest welcome to you all for the debut edition. This is the very first. Everyone, let's really make some noise for the emotional connectivity that we have. Let's have a big round of applause as we welcome all of you to the Golden Circle Partner Excellence Awards presented by YOTA. Well, I'm your host, Shikha, and we today will celebrate our partners. That's your commitment, ladies and gentlemen, for strengthening the business ecosystem and delivering that unwavering value as we continue to strive together. So thank you for believing in yourself. And right now, you know what? From wherever you've joined us, just get the roofs down. It's all right to shout at the top of your voice, even if this sounds crazy. This is your day, so just make the most use of it. So come on, what do you say when I say, and when I ask all of you, are you all unstoppable? So from wherever you're sitting, just shout at the top of your voice and say, yes, we are unstoppable. That's more like it. Thank you so very much for gifting us your precious time and joining us here. All right, first things first. Well, for a better viewing experience, we just request you to quickly click on the button that reads as Go Full Screen. That's on the top right side of your experiential screen. I'm sure you just felt grand with that, right? So make sure this is a full screen view that you're having right now. And for a better screen resolution, you can always go to the settings. I'm sure you can figure that out right on your screens and do the required changes as per your liking. All right, on the left-hand bottom, now this icon is very important because this is something that I never miss on. Now, I guess this is the selfie icon. So make sure you click it and click some amazing, winning, happy pictures, you know, with the setup, with the stage, and with the awardees. So show some love to all of us by posting that on social media, you know, tagging us. That would all feel so hearty, everyone. So with that, we have an unstoppable YOTA team that's just waiting backstage to say a quick hello to all of you. So with that, let's first up have one of our best men from the YOTA leadership team. You know whom I'm talking about. Let's welcome on the stage Mr. Sunil Gupta, the co-founder and CEO. Hi, Mr.
Hi, everybody.
Sunil. Hi.
Hi, so very happy to be with all of you, having the moments together with you all. Thank you.
Great. Thank you. Welcome, Sunil, to this phenomenal evening. You already vibe a lot of positivity and happiness. Thank you so very much. And on that note, let's welcome now Bhavesh Adya, the head partners ecosystem. Hi, Bhavesh. How is it? How are you feeling to be at our event today?
Hey, Shika, I'm really super excited to be part of the first edition of our Partner Excellence Award, along with our entire extended family of YOTA, which is our partner ecosystem.
Great. Thank you. So super excited. That's the word, and that should be the vibe. Thank you very much for joining us. And with that, I would be inviting up next Amit Agarwal, head sales. If you're all set, I am ready to greet you on the stage.
Hi, Shika. Hi, everyone.
Amit, can I ask you one thing?
Sure, Shikha.
Tell us one thing. What does the word winning means to you?
Shikha, winning in one word is, partnership. And, I say this because I'm a very strong believer that, ordinary people, when they come together, they can achieve extraordinary things. And this is the spirit of partnership that is actually, defining the success. And, this is what success means to me.
Thank you, Amit. We just loved what you said. Thank you. More power to all of us in this collaboration. And with that, up next, I am all set to invite Mr. Kamal Goyal, the EVP, IT and Chief Evangelist. Big hi to you, Kamal. How are you doing?
Hi, Shikha. I'm doing good. How are you? How are you?
Absolutely scintillating, if I may say so today.
Yeah.
So keeping up with the theme of our awards presentation ceremony, here's this one thing that I would want to ask you. I have known you, so tell me that one Bollywood dialogue that actually defines the relationship between Yota and its partners.
हमारे बिजनेस का तो एक ही असूल है, कोई धंधा छोटा नहीं होता और धंधे से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं होता. From Film Rise.
Take a bow, Kamal. Thank you so much. That was good. That felt good. Absolutely theatrical. Thank you so much. Kya baat hai. Great. Thank you. And with that, up next, I'm inviting on the stage. All right. You all can also wave. We can sense the vibes, So let's welcome Manish Israni, the EVP, IT, Operations and CIO. And Manish, if you're all set to be on the screen, you're saying good evening to you.
Good evening to everyone.
Manish, would you allow me to play a quick rapid fire with you?
Sure.
Okay, so this is for everybody who is watching. Tell us, Manish, partners for you are, just in one word, how would you describe them?
Commitment.
So, being partners, being, it means being committed. Super. Thank you. So, a lot of heavy words out there. Thank you for joining us. With that, up next, I am going to be inviting Rajesh Garg, the EVP and Chief Digital Officer.
Good evening, Shikha. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Rajesh. I'm just saying good evening on everybody's behalf. So, Rajesh, what do you think this evening is all about today?
So, Shikha and everyone, this evening is all about to celebrate the success of our partners. We have seen the excellence of our partners in the last several months, and this is where we are here to celebrate their success.
Yes, you said it superbly well. We are here to celebrate it and make the loudest noise because you make the loudest waves out there in the industry. So thank you for joining us again, Rajesh. And with that, I'm all set to be inviting on the stage Dr. Syed Pirzadeh, the EVP and Chief Cloud Officer.
Hi, Shikha. How are you?
Hi, Syed. How are you doing? I'm fantastic.
Thank you.
Great. So I'm not going to leave you like that. I'm going to ask you to sing along with me. So this is how it goes. If you're happy and you know it, what do? You know the drill. Clap your hands. All right. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, everybody, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Absolutely. Absolutely happy to see this collaborative success along with the partners.
Likewise. Thank you very much, Dr. Syed, for joining us. And with that, let's just quickly set up the stage for Nitin Shadav, the EVP Solution Engineering and Bids Management, joining us.
Yeah, hi, Shikha. Good evening and good evening, friends.
Yes, your friends are wishing you good evening right back, we are imagining. And, Nitin, if you are happy and you know it, what would you do? Tell us.
I would say, yee, hooray! To all our partners.
Superb. I'm loving the vibe. Thank you, Yota team. You are just nailing it right there. Thank you, Nitin, for that enthusiasm. Really appreciate. Thank you. So with that, let's invite Shashi Shekhar Panda, the Head Product and Services.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Mr. Panda. can you just say a big hi and whatever you want to say it? Stage is
Yeah.
yours.
Hi to everyone. So, and it's a celebration of trust and happiness. So I just waving hands, I am just trying to celebrate.
Absolutely. Anything that just shows happiness, because this evening is about the glistening trophies that would be handed to our winners. So thank you. And with that, Viral Shah, Head Finance, will be joining us, saying a quick hello to all of you.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to this wonderful award ceremony. Its partners are like a family of Yota, and I am very happy to be part of this event. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Viral. And yes, we are one big happy family. With that, inviting up next, Hemant Kumar Shukla, Head Legal. Hi, Mr. Shukla.
Hey, good evening, everyone. Hi, Shikha. Good evening, everyone.
Very, very good evening. Thank you for joining us. Thanks a lot. And with that, up next, we would be having Sagnik Gupta, the Regional Sales Head West, joining us.
Hi, Shikha. Very good evening, and very good evening to all our partners in success.
Thank you. Thank you. Absolutely. Loving the vibes. Thanks a lot, Sagnik. And with that, up next, could we please have Nurullah Sharif, the Regional Sales Head South, joining us.
Hi, Shikha. Very good evening. Good evening to all. Thank you, partner, for being in our success.
Thank you. Could you show us how do you make some noise?
Hey, hip hip hooray. That's how you make noise.
Superb, superb. Thank you. So let's be in our childlike energies today and have some fun. And with that, we have also with us Manjeet Singh, the Regional Sales Head North. All right. So that's about the Yota team, the meet and greet that just felt so homely, so family-like. This just felt so good. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, without any ado further, I'm going to be inviting Mr. Sunil Gupta for his keynote. But you know what? Just before that, taking you all through a wonderful video showcasing Yota capabilities. So I want all your eyes glued to the screens right there.
India has the second fastest growing digital economy in the world. By 2025, India will have 850 million smartphone users and 200 million smart TVs, collectively consuming more than 5 hours of video data per device per day. India is increasingly becoming digital, shifting rapidly to web collaboration, e-commerce, and e-payments. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, robotics, and the emergence of 5G are going to extend the usage of the internet to billions of devices. India is also witnessing a shift of enterprise workloads from their captive data centers to public clouds or hosted private clouds due to the pay-as-you-use models and enormous scalability they offer. Enterprises and the government of India are now focusing more than ever before on self-reliance in their supply chains within the country, also leading to more data localization. All these trends are leading to the data explosion in India. To store and process this ever-increasing data growth and centralized cloud workloads, India needs large-scale data center parks instead of standalone data center buildings. These data center parks need to be scalable in terms of space, power, internet connectivity, support services, and a wide array of innovative value-added IT services. Yota, India's youngest managed data center service provider, is building data center parks in Navi Mumbai, Chennai, Greater Noida near New Delhi, and has upcoming projects in Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata, and Gift City in Gujarat. Yota is backed by India's leading real estate, energy, and construction major, the Hiranandani Group. What makes Yota unique is its ownership of resources, massive economies of scale, ability to tap into vast amounts of renewable power for its customers, and unmatched expertise and experience in data center design, construction, and operations. Yota NM1 is Asia's largest and the world's second largest Uptime Institute Tier 4 certified data center facility that is spread across 820,000 square feet with a capacity of 7,200 racks, 50 megawatt power, and 4 fiber paths connecting the major telecom operators and internet exchanges. It is located at Yota Data Center Park within the 600-acre Hiranandani Fortune City campus in Panvel. Yota NM1 is built to the highest standards and has a host of unique features. 15-layer physical security, highly redundant power infrastructure, an advanced automated building management system that monitors Yota NM1, a fail-safe cooling infrastructure, and a wide range of support services, including dedicated cargo material handling area, dedicated office space, transport facilities for customers, and on-site lodging arrangements for both short and long term. With our long list of certifications, which continues to grow, customers are assured of all the necessary compliance and best practices. Yota provides both hyperscale co-location for wholesale customers and fully managed Yota Tech services for enterprise customers. Under co-location, we offer full floors, suites, cages, and individual racks with varying power densities and fit-out options as per customer requirements. For hyperscale customers, we offer dedicated customized buildings on co-location model and interconnect their floors and buildings through redundant fibers. Under Yota Tech, we offer a wide variety of innovative enterprise IT solutions on a pay-as-you-use model. At Yota, we strive to deliver unmatched scalability, quality, innovation, and economies of scale by leveraging our real estate expertise, power distribution capabilities, data center design, connectivity solutions, and deep domain expertise in managed IT services. We aim to deliver value that's backed by innovation, partnerships, and trust, so that our customers get peace of mind, assurance, and above all, happiness.
Hello, everybody. Thank you all for joining us today amid these challenging times. From our oldest partners to the ones who recently joined us, it is my privilege to address all of you. Let me start by becoming philosophical and quoting Mother Teresa. None of us, including me, do great things, but we all can do small things with great love, and together we can do something very wonderful. As rightly said, it is the power of doing the right things the right way in a collective framework that drives all of us together and get us the results we want to accomplish. Without our partners and the support from my entire Yota team, which works every single day, every single minute, with a single-minded focus to make this joint working successful, for all of us mutually, for our mutual benefit, Yota would not have achieved the milestones that we all have achieved today as a young company. Despite a challenging year, the progress we all have made is commendable. While the pandemic has had an impact on our personal lives and professional lives, the technology and digital transformation across industries has made us adapt to the virtual world very seamlessly. And it has kept on increasing the share of digital in the physical world of everybody's life. And this is continuing to grow the business of technology companies like you and me together. While there are frontline workers who are serving us despite adversities, I would say it is our partners who are the digital frontline workers who are taking technology to the length and breadth of the country and serving businesses to operate and innovate all time. As you know, Yota's mission is to propel the digitization of India with its premium yet affordable hyperscale data center and cloud services and disruptive enterprise IT solutions. With this mission, we started as a managed data center and cloud service provider, as you know. And today, as I look back on what we have achieved and what lies ahead, I'm so grateful to everyone, especially our partner community, for trusting in our vision and offering us their unwavering support. Speaking of growth and progress, this month itself, you might have seen some amazing product launches from us, partnering with some of the world's leading names in technology. We launched Yotta Virtual Pro Workstation with NVIDIA and Citrix, and we also launched long-term data archival solution from Pickle, a very innovative Norwegian company. With access to and partnership with these impressive names in the technology world, we get a perfect platform to launch new innovative solutions that can solve real-world business challenges for our customers. And that too at a rapid and agile pace. Yotta, I can promise, would continue to craft such new products and solutions at a rapid pace, and we hope you would also continue to enjoy selling them and be partner to success with us. Once again, on behalf of Yotta, I sincerely thank and acknowledging each one of you for making the first edition of this Golden Circle Award a great success. And I would congratulate all the winners in advance. Enjoy the evening and hope to host you all in person next time. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sunil. You're always, I think it's always very empowering to hear you. You empathize, you motivate, and you're just the perfect leader whom we look up to. Wait for, let's just give it a furious start for now. The furious start to the Golden Circle Partner Excellence Awards presentation ceremony. And as I said, enjoy till the sky falls down. We are good to go. It's our day. So, all right, let's just get started with our first category of the evening, Ones to Watch. Well, you know what? If you're wondering who are these partners, these are the partners who've had a fabulous start and are crafting their path to success. Safalta ka wo rasta. Well, these are the ones who are looking out for, as they will surely rise above from here. Let's all, brace ourselves to congratulate these promising partners. Well, our presenters for this category, allow me to please welcome on the stage Ronik Dhar, Bhavesh Adya, and Manish Israni. And with that, let's announce the awardee. And the award goes to Golden Next Ventures LLP. Let's have a big round of applause. Please request Mr. Samrat Kishore to join us and accept the honors.
Hi, thank you everyone. Shikha, really, this is a very grand ceremony. Thank you so much for making it come alive, even on a virtual platform. Yotta, for me, Yotta is a very innovative company. It's a just a word of thanks and a big thanks to Sunil, Bhavesh, Ronik. He's been constantly supporting us, and for identifying, recognizing our efforts in in bringing the success that we've come so far. And I'm sure there's a long way to go ahead of us. I'm truly amazed by the innovative launches, as Bhavesh and Sunil both talked about the launches that they've done recently. And I do believe that with the right arsenal, we can definitely capture a big chunk of the market. So Yotta is in the right place at the right time, and I do see a very bright future working with all of them. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Samrat.
Thanks, Ronik.
Congratulations, Samrat.
Thank you, Manish.
All right, so with those congratulatory messages being exchanged, Samrat, that befitting smile, once again, many congratulations to Golden Next Ventures LLP on being the ones to watch. All right, let's see as to who is our next award winner. Well, we'll have as presenters Ronik Dhar, Bhavesh Adya, and Manish Israni once again. And the award goes to, let's give a big hand to Data Plus. Many congratulations. Could you please request Shashwat Singh to join us and accept the happiest honors.
Very much, Shikha. And interestingly, this is my first award as an entrepreneur, by the way. And it feels great. I'm delighted to receive this award. We are just about a year old, and on the the entire team of Data Plus, I want to extend my thanks to Yotta team. They have been very supportive. And I would like to second Samrat, the way they are innovating, the way they're coming up with the tailored solution for the industry. I think, they are going to do great. And we have great plans working with Yota. And I look forward to a very long and fruitful partnership with them. Thanks, Bhavesh, Ronak, Manjeet, the entire team of Yota. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Ashwath, and your entire team.
Thank you. Thank you, Ronak.
And thanks for the support. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right. So Shashwat, congratulations. And on that vibe of such a beautiful partnership that I think I can just sense as I look towards you all, I'm all set to say thank you to you, Ronak, and to you, Manish, for joining us. And with that, I would be inviting to join us as our happy and proud presenters, Renuka Joshi and also Dr. Syed Pirzadeh. Well, if you're wondering who's our next winner under the category of Wants to Watch, this time you got to just brim up some very good applauses for Savic Technologies. Hearty congratulations. This is a formidable celebration. And could you please have Yuvraj Thumre representing and accepting the honors.
Thank you very much for this category of the award and giving this award to the Savic. It's been almost a year we collaborated together and we worked as one team. We had many back and forth discussions on multiple opportunities, but what we have seen is that dedication and the commitment from Yota team when we were working together, and we are wishing that the same commitment and dedication as one team will be having in the future, and will be achieving more success than what we had in a year one. And we are hoping to build more and more cloud opportunities and as a one partner, and being the successful partner together in future.
Definitely, Yuvraj. Thanks a lot for keeping faith in us, and thanks for your constant support. Looking forward to have a great collaboration with you. Thanks a lot.
Looking forward. Many congratulations for the Savic and team, Yuvraj. Great work.
Thank you, Syed. Thank you, Bhavesh. Thank you very much.
Congrats, Yuvraj and team.
Thank you.
All right, so that's Yuvraj accepting the honors for Savic Technologies. Keep it all going, keep it all coming. Renuka, I got to say thank you to you for that lovely message that you just said to our winner, and also for joining us. And with that, we are unstoppable, right? So let's have a look as to who is our next Wants to Watch. So all right, this time let's put up our hands together and also invite our presenter, Nilesh Mistry, to please join us. And continuing with you, Bhavesh and Dr. Syed, let's give it up for Connections 24/7. Well, Nitin Jain, if you're all suited up and all ready to take the honors, please join us.
Thanks for this award. Look to work with you on a long-term basis and let the partnership grow. That's it from my side.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Many congratulations.
And Nitin, before you actually, okay, you just left the stage, but I was wanting to ask you, how's the Josh? So keep that Josh coming in. You know what? Our official hashtag for the event is hashtag Golden Circle Awards. So make sure you use that, you tag us. You can also put a hashtag as Yota, but make sure you keep those winning pictures coming in on social media. They just should know, everybody out there, that we are making some noise at the awards presentation ceremony. And with that, we're all set to say thank you to you, Nilesh. And up next, invite you, Mr. Amit Dubey, to join us. Well, our next and the final award in this category goes to Yota Byte Solution. Congratulations. Mr. Vinesh Thakkar, the beauty person, to accept the award.
Congratulations, Vinesh ji.
Congratulations, Vinesh and team.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks Toyota team for the great support provided, and thank you, sir. Thank you. I wanted to say a few words. Toyota was born in the toughest time that we have seen in our lives, and I believe in one slogan: the tough goes going when the goings are tough. So Toyota team is proving to be that, fighting against the tide and winning all the possible businesses, clients, major businesses, and we are looking forward to work closely with Toyota team to achieve more next year. Current year is also going to be very good for the business.
Ganesh, thank you. We love your indomitable spirit, especially, words like unprecedented, challenging, words so often used since, now more than a year. So here's sending you all the power and congratulations once again, Toyota Bytes Solution. And with that, a big thank you to our diligent presenters who joined us. Thank you very, very much. And इसी के साथ चलिए अपने कारवां को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. And, just stay tuned. You can all, extend your messages, your tweets, your comments on social media. Actually, you can just say how happy you are, how thrilled you are to be winning. Now, this is for the winners to be at #Golden Circle Awards from #Toyota. So that's how you can go about it. और आज की सेरेमनी को देख के मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि हर खामोशी पे आज बस आपका नाम है. इस जश्न महफिल में ये चर्चाएं आम हैं. चुनौतियों का मुकाबला जिस हिम्मत से किया आपने, उस जोश जुनून को मेरा सलाम है. Well, as we just said, it was a tough year, but here we are, acting each other's cheerleaders. I think that's what makes us true partners, right? So with that, ushering in the next awards category, ladies and gentlemen, this is Horizon Conquerors. Now this sounds wow. Okay, so if we talk about this, a learning curve is essential for growth. You all would agree, right? This award honors individuals who have upskilled themselves and increased their knowledge by learning. Winners in this category completed the most number of Toyota Horizon trainings on its products, on its services, and also technology. So if the presenters are all set, I am all ready to invite them onto the stage. Could we please request and humbly request Amit Dubey, Nilesh Mistry, and Shashi Shekhar Panda to join us on the stage. And with that, we're all set to announce these Horizon Conquerors, right? And the award goes to Manan Thakkar from Toyota Bytes Solutions. Well, Manan, you were the business development head, and here goes to you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Manan.
Thank you, sir. So I'd like to
Congratulations, Manan.
thank you so much.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you so much, sir. I'd like to thank Toyota team for their continuous support. Thank you so much. Looking forward to grow with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations again. Well, this was for Manan Thakkar. And with that, our next award under the category of Horizon Conquerors goes to Sanjay Kothari from Indovision Services. Well, he's the Chief Customer Officer, bagging the honors.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations, Sanjay.
Congratulations, Manan. Sanjay.
Thank you. And I actually want to give a big shout out to the whole Toyota team for an exceptionally professional experience, especially for partners like us in terms of building and maintaining a healthy partner ecosystem with us. So as Indovision, since we are a partner to Toyota as well as a supplier to Toyota, it makes the relationship even more stronger for us. We from the bottom of our hearts, wish Toyota an amazing journey of growth, which grows us also. Personally, I have truly cherished the relationship with Yota, and the partner programs, thanks to Amit and Bhavesh, keep exciting me. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Congratulations again, Sanjay. And I would like to say to what you just beautifully said, congrats on your win. And secondly, we are in this journey together. So let's ride on together. And on that note, our final winner under this category of Horizon Conquerors, ladies and gentlemen, this evening is about 3 A's: acknowledge, applaud, and appreciate. So let's put our hands together with our presenters. Well, while I'm going to say thank you to you, Amit, for joining us, I would be inviting Ronik Dhar to be joining us as our presenter. And the award goes to you, Gautam Mahajan from Zimbal One Private Limited. Congratulations. You're the business head, and here's to you. Let's listen to your acceptance speech if you're around.
Yeah, so I thank first, I think Bhavesh, Nilesh, and Ronik for, first rolling out a wonderful training program for partners. And I can vouch for it. No Indian provider has, this sort of program for their channel partners. So I think within a very short period, Yota is doing something exceptional, and this will definitely translate into a big success for us and for Yota. Right? Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Gautam. And just on a lighter note, if I had known earlier that you are one of the winners, I would have taken your help to clear my exams. Congratulations again.
Take care. Thanks.
Congratulations, Gautam. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All right. So it's raining congratulations, and on a note of camaraderie, I'm going to thank all the presenters for joining in, and congratulations once again to you, Gautam. With that, ladies and gentlemen, keep those tweets, happy comments coming in, good vibes only. We are going to transcend our presentation ceremony onto our next award category, which is known as Lead from the Front. Well, when we talk about lead generation, you would agree that this is the most basic and essential necessity of a business, right? So needless to mention that the winners in this category generated the maximum opportunities when we talk about Yota's products and services. So, all right, I will make no mistake by not inviting our presenters onto the stage. Let's please welcome once again Ronik Dhar, Manjeet Singh, and Amit Agarwal. And with that, we're all set to say that the award for Lead from the Front goes to Future IT Services. Congratulations. Could you please have Shoaib accepting the honor?
Thank you so much, Yota team, for such a award winner.
Congratulations, Shoaib, and the entire Future IT Services team.
Thank you.
We look forward to your support in the coming, this year as well. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you, Yota team. Thank you so much.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, when I'm looking at the mosaic that's there backstage of my presenters, they're all smiling, and it is genuine warmth that I'm seeing, as I see the viewers, the winners. So it's all really heartfelt from our heart. So on that note, let's give the next award and appreciate the endeavor, the efforts of Mobichick Technologies. Congratulations. Well, as presenters, we will be joined by Amit and also Sagnik Gupta. Manjeet, thank you for joining us. Mayuresh Dalvi, I know you're all set to extend that acceptance speech.
Hey Mayuresh, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Mayuresh.
Thank you, Amit. It was really pleasure having this award basically. And thank you, Yota team, for giving a kind of a wow experience for our all customers. And we look forward for this engagement in the two sessions together. And as long as we are going far in the business and deeper into the technology segment. So we look forward for that. Thank you again.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Amit. Thank you very much.
So congratulations and celebrations. Amit, thank you for joining us. And congratulations once again to Movigic Technologies. Well, with this, I'm going to be inviting up next, once again, Renuka, if you're all there, Renuka Joshi will be joining us as the presenter. And continuing with you, Sagnik and Amit, let me announce our next awardee. So a big kudos for leading from the front, Unique Solutions. There you are. Could we please request Narendra Gokhale to accept the honor?
Thanks a lot. Thank you. It has been a very enthralling year with Yota, especially for interacting with the entire team, the kind of support that they have extended. It has been absolutely wonderful. And it's an honor to take this award. This is a great push for us to strive harder to get more leads and make name for Yota and Unique Solutions as well. So thanks Renuka, thanks Yota team.
Congratulations, Narendra.
Thank you.
We are proud and privileged to work with prestigious partner like you.
Yes, thanks a lot.
Great.
Well, see, I said this is all heartfelt. All right, so yes, I'm going to say thank you to you, Sagnik, for joining us. And could we please invite Narullah Sharif to be our presenter for the next awardee under the same category. And we are all set to announce the name. A big congratulations to you for being the leader out there and leading it by length and breadth. Congratulations, Quantum Shield Technologies LLP. Big congratulations. Could we please have Kishore Sugumar accepting the honors? Then I guess, yes, our awardee is not here with us right now, but nevertheless, we will extend our due congratulations and all the good vibes and of course the glistening trophies there. So great, congratulations. And with that, I'm going to say thank you to all our presenters who joined us for this particular category. And with that, as we are marching ahead, ladies and gentlemen, I would just like to give a heads up to everyone. So, you know what, our next award winner or winners, they're fantastic, they are formidable, they are first class, and they are fabulous. So, if you've braced yourselves to clap loudly, let's all get set to give a big shout out, this time to the logo multipliers. Now, this category represents the maximum number of the new brands or customers a partner has won. And of course, as the name suggests, right, loud and clear, these are the winners who have bagged an amazing number of brands. Mic drop, right? So let's invite our presenters, our good ones out there. Let's have Amit Dubey, Bhavesh Adya, and Hemant Kumar Shukla joining us. And with that, the award goes to Mobigic Technologies. Hearty congratulations for joining us.
Congratulations, Naveen.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I would like to share this award with Team Yota also, because with their help only, I could reach at this location. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations once again, and thank you to our presenters. Well, the sole winner out here in this category that we just celebrated, the logo multipliers, as it's called. और इसी के साथ, you know, let the vibe of inspiration continue, ladies and gentlemen. क्योंकि कहते हैं कि अपने हौसले को, you know, it would have felt great, you know, listening to all the cheers had we been on ground, but, you know, let's just make the best use of whatever we have and celebrate it. क्योंकि कहते हैं कि अपने हौसले को कभी मत ये बताओ कि आपकी तकलीफ कितनी बड़ी है. अपनी तकलीफ को जरा ये बता दो कि आपका हौसला कितना बुलंद है. Well, इन्हीं बुलंदियों को छूते हुए, we are going to enter into our next category of the evening, which is Product Ninja. Now, if I talk about These they address the pain points of customers by providing just the right sized solution, just the curated one. Well, these techno commercial partners went beyond the call of their duty, went out of their way to make it easy for the customers, ultimately, to just get the right solution. So I'm sure they deserve a big round of cheer, right? If you all agree with me, make some noise, send in those comments, show some love, click that selfie. I hope you're just having the best experience on this experiential platform at the same time. Let's invite our presenters for this category. Well, let's have Ronik Dhar, Bhavesh, and Kamal joining us. With a good round of cheer from my side. And allow me to please welcome our awardee. Let's give it up for Grovintelli Technologies for Yota Enterprise Cloud. A big congratulations. Kunal Soni, come forward and accept the honors.
Congratulations. Congrats, Kunal.
Congratulations, Kunal.
Thank you so much.
All right, congratulations once again. And with that, Ronik, I'll say a thank you to you. And I would invite Amit Dubey on the stage with that. And I know Kamal and Bhavesh would be, like always, dutifully positioned, stationed on the stage. So with that, let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen, under this very powerful category. I would like to say this is a sensitive, relatable category of product ninja. So let's give it up for JLL Property Consultants India for Desktop as a Service. A big, big congratulations and inviting you, Distinguished Shikha, to please accept the honors.
Thank you, Yota, for giving us this honor, and of course, thanks to my team all across Hyderabad, which was Bhavna and Rohit, and of course, due to limitation, they are not here. But thank you, again, Yota and us, we are partners together, and as Sunil mentioned in the beginning, that we are in this together, and it's always a privilege to partner with you guys. So thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Dipendra.
So thanks.
Congratulations, Dipendra and JLL team. Congratulations.
Congratulations, JLL team.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Well, celebrated mightily well, Dipendra, I would like to say, and the entire team of JLL out there, this is your evening. Just make it grand. Yes, we are super proud of you. And with that, Amit, I'm going to say thank you to you. Kamal, I still remember the dialogue that you said, although I can't say it half beautifully as you did, but thank you for joining us. And with that, Mr. Nilesh Mistry, we would love it if you join us as our presenter along with Rajesh Garg, and of course, Bhavesh. We've just held him already onto the screens. So, all right, this time, let's say all the kudos, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up for Peridot Systems and Services for co-location. Well, it would be great if you could have come forward and join us to accept the honors, but nevertheless, let's have a look. Preeti, we'll just request you to unmute yourselves. You are glowing in the glory. We'll just like to hear you as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the award.
Thank you so much, Sunil, and thank you so much, Yota team. This is an amazing journey. We've just started off. After the corporate world, I got into entrepreneur, world, and in just recent last 2 quarters, we kind of started off well. My heartfelt thank you to everyone in the Yota team, right from Sunil to account management team to partner team led by Bhavesh. Nilesh has been extremely helpful whenever I kind of bothered him. In fact, multiple calls when we had, it was like Bhavesh calling Bhavesh, and we used to kind of get confused, whether it is Bhavesh Adia or Bhavesh Mathur. So it is an amazing journey. I would say that, from the entire team of Peridot, I'm looking forward for this most strategic partnership for us.
in this space. We all know that this space is going to turn around, extremely well in next 5 years' time. We all know that, and that is the reason that I kind of took the plan of getting into this space, joining hands with Yota. Superbly excited for the times ahead. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Preeti, and congratulations, Bhavesh. We have a long way to go.
Thank you.
Many congratulations, Peridot team.
Thank you.
Congratulations once again, Preeti and Bhavesh.
Thank you.
Thanks, Bhavesh.
All right, so those lovely congratulations. With that, we're all set to announce our next award winner in this category. Nilesh, I got to say thank you to you, and I'm going to be, inviting Renuka back on the stage. So with that, the name is, ladies and gentlemen, let's extend some very, very happy round of applauses and give it up for eBond Consulting for SAP hosting. Hearty congratulations to eBond Consulting. Could we please request Satish Mittal to join us?
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Well,
Yes, Satish.
As audible as your successes.
Thank you very much. See, we acknowledge this recognition of eBond as a partner, and it has been a good journey. This reward is actually a recognition for the effort of my team, which is Mr. Naresh, Ria, Naveen, and Shreya. All effort from their end. We're thankful to the Yota leadership, starting with Sunilji, Amit, Bhavesh, Sashi, where we have been working together on a lot of things, late evenings. So whatever achievements we have done over this period, it's a joint achievement for Yota and eBond. We look forward to being partner of choice for Yota in coming years and scaling more heights. Thank you.
Thank you, Satish. Congratulations. And thanks for being our go-to partner for SAP. We look forward to work with you.
Thank you.
Congrats, Satish and the eBond team once again.
Thank you, Bhaveshji. Thank you very much.
Congrats, Satish and eBond team. Thanks for your
Thank you,
wonderful
Rai.
job.
Thank you.
All right, so, it just feels so special with all that vibe and attitude of gratitude that we're just witnessing. I think, Satish, we would like to say that thank you for giving us a reason to celebrate you, and congratulations once again to eBond Consulting. And with that, Renuka, thank you. You bring in a lot of, vibrancy onto our stage. Thank you for that. And Rajesh, thank you to you as well. Bhavesh will not let you go anywhere. And up next as a presenter, I'm going to be inviting again Ronik and Amit to join us, please. And the next award, ladies and gentlemen, is all reserved for, let's give it up for IBITS Technology Solutions for high performance computing right there. Vijay KT, if you're all set, please join us and accept the honors.
Thank you. Thank you for this recognition and enabling us to be the ninja of HPC solutions. So I think it's the diverse product lines that Yota has given us an opportunity to reach out to companies and to offer them the right kind of solution. I would like to thank the partner management team, especially Bhavesh and Ronik, for supporting us, and also the sales team who has supported us in this journey. Thank you all.
Congratulations, Bijoy and the entire IBITS team. You have been really instrumental in the region, and we look forward to your continued support. Thank you.
Thanks, Ronik.
Thanks, Bijoy. Congratulations.
Congrats, Bijoy.
Thanks, Bhavesh. Thank you all.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Golden Circle Awards, a trophy would adorn IBITS Technology Solutions cabinet out there. And with that, Ronik, thank you to you. Renuka, could we have you back as a presenter? Because we're all set to celebrate the mighty win of our final winner under this category, which you all know is being very proudly titled as Product Ninja. So there you go, Quantum Shield Technologies LLP. Highest level of enthusiasm and congratulations. This is for Yota Enterprise Cloud. Of course, if you're around, please come forward and accept the honors.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much for this. We are, as a team, we are honored by this award, what Toyota has presented, right? So, as a team, right, Toyota has been very helpful and really supportive in making the success, and we want to replicate this and join you in the journey of our success, right? And from Quantum Shield, thank you all, and looking forward for the same support. Thank you.
Congrats, Kishore. Thanks for keeping
Yeah, thanks, Renuka. Right, so we look
Thanks
forward
for
your
keeping
support.
us fort in the South region.
Yeah,
We look
sure,
forward to
we
working.
will do that. Thanks, bye.
Great. Congrats.
Congrats,
Thank
congrats,
you.
Kishore.
Thanks, Bhavesh. Right.
All right. So I wish these could be extended conversations, just letting ourselves loose, enjoying and continuing the evening, which we all can do so still individually right now. So I got to say thank you to our presenters. And once again, big congratulations to you, Quantum Shield Technologies, LLP. With that, I am not allowing any one of you any tech sabbaticals. You got to be staying tuned to what's happening on the screen, right? So just enrobe yourselves into the festivities. We've had hard times, I know, but this is the day that's earmarked to celebrate you. So don't sit back, just let the things happen to you. Go out and actually happen to things. So we are all set to meet our next Make It Happeners, ladies and gentlemen, the pinnacle performers. Now, as the name indicates, now, these are the people, if I would like to talk about them, they're just on the top of their game, Normal is boring for them, and they go that extra mile to get those desired results and are determined, I would say, just till the brim out there. I think as I'm just talking about them, just fills me with that feeling that I'm going to be inspired as I meet these winners along with you this evening. So ladies and gentlemen, this time again, we need to give it up first for our presenters who will be joining us. Ronik, I know there's a lot of legwork that you're asking you to do, but Ronik, Viral and Nitin Jadhav will be inviting you back onto the stage to do the honors. And with that, we're all set to blow the trumpet, and very, very, very loudly this time. Let's extend a big, big congratulations, everyone. Yes, with all the smiles. Let's give it up for Kunal Soni from Grove Intelli Technology. There you go. All right, so yes, we do not have Kunal right now with us, but as I said, with all the smiles and those vibes of congratulations, let's just extend the honors to him. With that, moving on to our next awardee, ladies and gentlemen. Ronik, thank you for joining us. We will march ahead and acknowledge the efforts, the endeavor of Deependra Shukla from JLL Property Consultants. Congratulations. This is your moment.
Okay, well, so that wasn't expected, but thank you very much. And I think I'll take this award as a recognition of our efforts. When I say our efforts, of course, the entire team, not just me alone. So Rachit, Ben, Bhavna, Rohit, Pranay, Priyanka, Rajat, Dilip, Puran, Shubham, Rajat, Udbhav, Vimal, Gauri, and Sahil. So it's our collective effort altogether, and I think somewhere we are doing things right. Honestly, it feels great to be acknowledged again, and so the JLL way has always been to achieve ambitions. That's a tagline. So while we have a 260-year-old history, but we are young at heart, and we believe in delivering excellence in whatever we do, and we'll continue to do so. So thank you very much. Take care, everyone, and cheers.
Once again, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Deependra team. Good going. Congratulations, Deependra. Good to see you.
Thanks a lot. Likewise.
Deependra, congratulations. And, we are glad that it took you by surprise. But since you are a Make It Happener, you have all the rights to take it and take the trophies. They're all yours. And you are our pinnacle performer. Congratulations once again. And with that, Amit, thank you for joining us. I'm going to be inviting Ronik back onto the stage to join for the next, award announcement that I'm all set to make. With you all, I have also become unstoppable for the evening. So, all right, let's give it up for Jasna Bijoy for IBITS, from IBITS Technology Solutions. Many, many congratulations.
Thank you. I am excited as much as you all are. So I would like to thank the YOTA team and my team at IBITS who have supported me to attain this achievement. We are extremely glad to have partnered with YOTA. Thank you so much.
Hey, congratulations, Jasna.
Congratulations, Jasna.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Well, Jasna, to you, I would like to say, just keep it in the first lane always, especially with that warmest smile that graces your face. So thank you for gracing this awards presentation ceremony. Congratulations again. And thank you to my loveliest presenters for joining us. And we are unstoppable, marching ahead, ladies and gentlemen. Well, teamwork, they say, even when Mr. Sunil spoke to us, he talked about teamwork, how this is an ability to work towards a common vision. So we now converge to our next category, ladies and gentlemen, the partner of the year. Well, these are those partners who've taken our services to the length, to the breadth of our nation and our reliable extended sales force. And I would like to say they are our all-weather partners. So, that's that one phrase that just describes them all. Our set of feisty presenters for this, final category of the evening would be joining us. So I guess we're all set in our bestest mode of energies to welcome our presenters and, of course, our leading, awardees for this category. So, all right, inviting on the stage, Ronik Dhar, Bhavesh Adya, Sunil Gupta, right there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please make some humongous noise for the partner of the year. And the award goes to Assure Assistance Teleservices. Congratulations to the prestigious, the director, Abhishek Jaiswal, come forward and accepting the proud honors.
Congratulations, Abhishek. And so I've been working with Abhishek for quite a while now. Congratulations again.
Congratulations, Abhishek. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Abhishek, congratulations.
for giving me this award.
Congratulations.
Hi, thank you, your team, for giving me this award. I'm extremely proud with YOTA. The kind of support and training provided by YOTA are wonderful and it's so knowledgeable. I would like, congrats, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for being a partner. Thank you.
Congratulations once again, Abhishek. Congratulations to Assure Assistance Teleservices. Well, I would like to say here a gem, I see there a gem, everywhere a gem today, ruke nahi, thake nahi, jhuke nahi, aap badhe chale. So here's to our journey and here's to saying thank you to you, Ronik, for joining us. And could we please have Amit Dubey joining us as our next presenter along with Bhavesh and of course, Mr. Sunil Gupta. So well, the next award, ladies and gentlemen, triumph really ruling the stage. This one is for you, AGC Networks. Congratulations. Well, we would love to have Jayanta Prabhu joining us, the business head India and SAARC from AGC Networks joining us.
Thanks, YOTA. Thanks, Sunil, Bhavesh, Amit, Kamal, Manish for this award. We are humbled. It is a prestigious award for us. And this is a long journey. And I take this award on behalf of my entire AGC family. And this journey started a year back. We want to take it to next level. And it's not only we want to serve India customer, to global customer also we wanted to target. And looking forward for your support, and thanks again.
Thank you, Jayanta. I would like to say one word for Jayanta, or one few words for Jayanta. कहते हैं भगवान कृष्ण के बहुत सारे रूप होते हैं, तो जयंता जी के हमारे लिए ऐसा ही कुछ है कि वो हमारे पार्टनर भी हैं, हमारे कस्टमर भी हैं, हमारे वेंडर भी हैं, and he always remains the all-weather friend for us. So thank you so much, Jayanta. I mean, seriously, it's a pleasure to work with you and have you as our friend. Thank you very much.
Thanks, my friend Sunil.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thanks, Bhavesh. Thanks, Bhavesh.
All right, congratulations once again, Jayanta. I could just see that, that lovely bonding, between the team there. So, all right, we're all set on our mark to applaud and invite our next awardee onto the screens. Now, this one is again for JLL Property Consultants. Congratulations. We would have Rachit Mohan, the India Head Data Center Advisory, joining us. Office Brokerage joining.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Sunil, Bhavesh, Darshan. I mean, I think for the full group, I think Yota has a very, very special place in our hearts. We've been associated. I think we were probably the first vendors who were onboarded by Yota when Yota was formed. And, my projects team was involved in helping build out the campus as well. And to where we are today, it's very, very, it's a proud moment. And I think this is only a start. We have to conclude many very, very large transactions and get you very big customers in times to come. And I'm very sure we will be doing that. Thank you. Thank you, Sunil. Thank you, Bhavesh. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, Rachit. वो जो मेरे कृष्ण जी की एनालॉजी थी, आपके ऊपर भी उतनी फिट होती है, क्योंकि आपके साथ भी हम इतनी अलग-अलग वैरायटी की ट्रांजैक्शंस कर रहे हैं, right? You know that. Of course, you are a partner selling not only, the co-location services, but I was pleased to see your team selling desktop as a service. And of course, you are partners identifying land, and giving us consultancy, all over. Thank you for being there. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations. Rachit, congratulations to your entire team.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Rachit, big congratulations, the partner of the year there, JLL. And with that, Amit, thank you. And up next, may I please humbly invite you again, Nilesh, to join us in doing the honors. So our next partner of the year and the honors are being conferred on iPlanet Cloud Solutions. Congratulations. We would be very happy to be witnessing the director, Anand Jagdale, joining us and accepting this lovely moment.
Thank you very much, Yota. We are honored with this award. This goes to my team, iPlanet, and as well, thank you very much, Amit, Bhavesh, Sunil sir. Thank you very much. We are really happy and we are really honored with this award.
Congratulations, and I can't really thank you enough. You are, I think, among our earliest partners and customers, and we continue to have such a great relationship with you, such a great bonding with you and your team. So thanks for being there always for us, and I'm sure we can have mutual, much bigger success in times to come. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Congratulations, Anand and the iPlanet team.
Thank you, Bhavesh. Thank you very much. And looking for a long-lasting relationship ahead.
Congratulations, Anand. Well done.
Thank you. Thanks, Nilesh. Thank you very much.
All right, so I see that winning streak on Anand's face that absolutely looks befitting. And, I was just wondering, इस बार ऐसी कौन सी analogy है जो Mr. Sunil हमसे कहेंगे? But, these are these little moments of nostalgia that are just brimming across as we're just meeting and greeting and congratulating you. So trust me, this is a proud moment, and we have a heart of gratitude for all our partners out there. So on that note, I am all set because I've braced myself to welcome up next with some good fanfare music, with some applauses and confetti being blown. So let's give it up for Galaxy Office Automation. Nilesh, I'll say thank you to you, but invite Amit Dubey to join us, our presenter, for honoring the efforts of Galaxy Office Automation. And it would be great to have the CEO and Director, Sanjay Patodia.
Right, I am very honored to get this award and really appreciate all the support we have got and the kind of partnership we have engaged with the entire Yotta team. Sunil sir has been quite supportive and has been very committed towards the partner fraternity and the kind of messaging which has gone has built in the confidence in the partner community. The team is excellent. Bhavesh, veteran in the channel management, Manish sir, Kamal sir, and we have also worked with Amit Agarwal and the other end customer teams. So our engagement with Yotta team has been complete 360 degrees. As a vendor, as a partner, so it has been a holistic approach, and we are very gun go, and it is a strategic partnership for us, and we look forward for much more success and reaching more peaks and heights along with Yotta. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sanjay ji. You are a veteran in the industry, so having these words from you actually makes us much more humble. And again, like some of our largest deals, have come through you, and not only you are bringing the leads, but you're also enabling the deliveries of those deals as well. So thanks for being our continuous partner across all the spectrum, and I'm hoping to work with you for much more times to come and getting much greater success for both of us together. Thank you.
Definitely, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Sanjay ji, and Purvesh and the entire team at Galaxy.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Sanjay ji. Congratulations, Galaxy team.
Well, our success begins with your stories, ladies and gentlemen, our dearest, esteemed, and most lovable partners, I should say. So thank you. And Amit, I got to thank you here. And up next, invite for the final award to be given at the presentation ceremony. Ronik Dhar, would be great if we could have you on the stage. Of course, Bhavesh and Sunil will already be joining us. So this is, ladies and gentlemen, just get the best of your energies, and let's extend a big hand to our winner, iBits Technology Solutions. Big congratulations to you. The founder and CTO, Bijoy KT, would be great if you could join us.
Thank you so much, and we are honored by this recognition, and I truly believe that we did the right thing to partner with Yotta. Hiranandani has always been a brand of best quality across all industries they operate. And also when leaders like Sunil and Bhavesh leading from the front, we were extremely confident we will be able to perform at this scale. At this juncture, I would also like to thank our partner manager, Ronik, and sales team, especially Suman, who was with us through most of the closures. And last but not the least, our iBits team, our entire team members who have supported us in identifying the opportunities and supporting the customers to implement it. So it has been a wonderful journey for us. We look forward to work with Yotta in the years to come. Thank you.
Congratulations, Bijoy, and your entire team. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bijoy. Thanks, Bijoy. I think if we simply go by the count of awards which you and your team have won today, that itself shows, how you are there all over supporting us across various products in different ways. So thank you for being our partners, and let's look forward to working with you together much more in times to come. Thank you.
Same here. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Vijay, congratulations to your entire team.
Thank you very much, Bijoy. You and your team, I'm sure they are the stars of the evening. Congratulations. It was gratifying to see that smile. And with that, I'm going to be saying a big thank you to our presenters who duly joined us and celebrated these mighty wins of our awardees, our partner community out there. So big congratulations to all the show stealers. Can we just raise our hands and say a big congratulations to you all. Such a pride, moment of pride, I would say. With that, ladies and gentlemen, just to give that befitting close, the celebrations will continue for sure, but just to extend a closing to this may I say, a scintillating awards presentation ceremony. Allow me to once again rope in you, Bhavesh. So if you're all set, here you go.
Thanks, Shikha, once again. So I would, of course, first of all, congratulate all the winners. Again, a big thank you to the entire Yotta team, as well as the entire extended family, the partner ecosystem team. So friends, we began this journey, like I said, in 2019 on the premise of the 3 T's as part of our partner program, which is trust, transparency, and teamwork. And it is really, really encouraging to see where we are today. We look forward to really great further cooperation and support from all of you. Okay, and let's grow in this journey together. Wish you all the best. Thank you once again, everyone.
Bhavesh, thank you very, very much. I think that was heartfelt, that was sweet and felt very relatable. Thank you very, very much for just your perfect closing remarks, I would say. And for this evening, I think this was stunning. This was sharp, quick, sublime, lofty, awe-inspiring moments of pride, happiness, and, from where the seeds were sown. So I would say, what an evening, really. And as they say, there's no greater joy in life than winning together. So here's just sending more power to all of us. As I said, we are in this together. So ladies and gentlemen, let's raise a toast to love, friendship, health, wealth, and happiness above all, with the hope that we all meet, before anything else, that we all meet sooner than soon. Everyone, just give a big, nice round of applause to yourselves for doing so good. Before we sign off. Everyone. All right, so that's more like it. So with that, here's signing off from the Golden Circle Awards presented to you by Yotta. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you.